Hey there, fellow viewers. If you've ever found yourself navigating the bustling streets of London, chances are you've hopped on the iconic London Tube. But did you know there's more to this underground maze than just getting from point A to point B? Buckle up, or should I say, swipe your Oyster card, as we dive into 10 facts about the London Tube that'll have you seeing this subway system in a whole new light. Number 1. The oldest underground railway. Believe it or not, the London Tube is the oldest underground railway in the world. It opened its doors, or should I say, tunnels, way back in 1863, making it a true pioneer in public transportation. Number 2. History train. Back in the day, the underground was funded entirely by private companies until the 1930s. Talk about a blast from the past. And speaking of history, did you know that part of the Piccadilly line was used to store treasures from the British Museum during World War II? Number 3. Does size matter? Ever wondered about the shortest journey between two tube stations? It's a mere 260 meters. That's like sprinting around a track, but without breaking a sweat. On the flip side, the longest journey stretches a whopping 6.3 kilometers. Talk about extremes. Number 4. Twists and turns. Hop on the central line, and you'll feel like you're on a roller coaster ride. Why? Because those tunnels twist and turn to follow the curves of London's medieval street plan. It's like navigating a labyrinth underground. Number 5. Night Tube. Who says the party has to stop when the sun goes down? Thanks to the Night Tube, Londoners and visitors alike can enjoy 24-hour service on select lines, perfect for those late-night adventures. Number 6. No booze allowed. Sorry, party animals alcohol was banned on the Tube and all London transport from June 2008. Looks like you'll have to save the celebrations from above ground. Number 7. Mind the Gap. The infamous Mind the Gap announcement. You've probably heard it a million times, but did you know it originated on the London Tube? It's a friendly reminder to watch your step as you board and disembark from the train. Number 8. Tube Etiquette 101. Speaking of minding the gap, there's a whole set of unwritten rules when it comes to tube etiquette. From giving up your seat to pregnant passengers to refraining from making eye contact during the morning commute, mastering tube etiquette is a rite of passage for any Londoner. Number 9. Tube stations as movie stars. Did you know that many tube stations have had their moment in the spotlight? From iconic scenes in Harry Potter to heartwarming moments in Love Actually, the Tube has played a starring role in countless films and TV shows. Number 10. Tube ghost stories. Think the London Tube is just a means of transportation? Think again. With its dark tunnels and eerie vibes, ever wondered about those abandoned ghost stations lurking in the shadows of the underground? With 49 ghost stations and one unfinished beauty near Hampstead, it's like stumbling upon a secret world beneath our feet. The Tube is home to more than a few ghost stories and urban legends that'll send shivers down your spine. The Tube. A city within a city. Last but certainly not least, the London Tube is more than just a mode of transportation, it's a city within a city. With its own unique culture, history, and quirks, a cultural icon that has stood the test of time. From its inception in the 19th century to its continuous expansion and modernization, the Tube has consistently served as the lifeblood of the city, connecting people, places, and experiences. The Tube is a beloved institution that brings people together from all walks of life. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching our video. Be sure to check out more of your ALESAF over here. And leave us any other doubt in the comments section. See you soon.